Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be transforming my hair. Y'all, I am dreading it right now because it's so dry. Like, I don't think y'all understand how dry my hair is right now. Like, yeah, I almost can't see no kind of curls. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out. And we're gonna do a low sleek bun because you guys have been requesting it. I'm like, all right, friend. I heard you. I hear you, friend. Let's see. What do I want to do first? I'm trying to decide if I want to wet it first, because the thing about my hair right now is that it needs to be detangled, but I don't feel like detangling it. So first I'm gonna go ahead and add some water, just a little bit, just so I can manipulate and separate it a little bit better. Like you guys know, I do not like to do anything on super dry hair. My hair is pretty damp. Where should I put my side part, you guys? This side? This side. I think I'm gonna do this side. I like this side, okay? Leave me alone. That ain't enough. I want a deep side part. This looks good. So now that I have my hair parted, I'm going to go in with a moisturizer, and I'm using the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. You guys, if you've been watching me for a minute, this is like my go-to cream for any type of like poofs, puffs, slick back, anything that you need to add moisture to your hair when it's dry, or if you just want to slick something down. This right here, y'all, is so bomb. So I'm first gonna add it to the perimeter of my hair. That's how I like to, like where I'm planning on like trying to smooth it the most. It's like here, and then like underneath, around. All right, and then I'm gonna add some to, you know, the length of my hair as well. So I'm just gonna take a little bit more and add it to the rest of my hair, just to help me detangle if needed. What I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna try to loosen up some of my hair because I do want it to be a little easier. So I do want to just go ahead and separate any of these curls. So kind of like a little soft finger detangling. But make sure you do add the water and the moisturizer before you do this. You do not want to do this on like super dry hair because it's more prone to breaking off. We want to keep our hair healthy, y'all. You guys see, I have a lot of hair. When I'm actually doing slick backs, I love to section off my hair. So first I'm going to section off the side. And then you want to go ahead and take the other side and do this. And you know what, guys? I have done a slick back ponytail once before, and I added extensions. I'll put that video right here. I had like a nice fluffy pony. Actually, yeah, I got that idea from someone else. I think I seen an Instagram video. That ponytail was so bomb, and she inspired me to do that look. But then I'm just going to section this because you want to take sections at a time in the back. Now we're going to start going in with our gel, and I'm going to be using the Style Factor gel just because I wanted to see how it reacted. And I've seen everybody else's thumbnails go ham. You just smell so good. You guys know I had a blueberry scent, and I got mine from my local beauty supply store. This is how much I'm taking, and I just like to warm it up in my hand, and then just go ahead and add it to this back section. Only on the top, not the whole hair. Not the whole hair, y'all. That's pretty much how we're doing it, just like we did the wet look. So I'm gonna go in with this brush, and this is the hard bristle brush, and just go ahead and break that down. But I also like to go in with my Cantu brush. This is a brush that I got from Cantu. They sent it to me, and I just think it's really good for going in and really just like slicking this part down without really detangling your hair, and it won't disturb anything. So I really like this, and I'm just going to go ahead and just like twist it, and I'm going to pin it, then move on to the next section and basically do the same exact thing. So now, as you can see, I am sectioning off this area right here, and I'm just making sure that I get it as sleek as possible. Since there is so much hair in this area, you do want to break it down. If not, this part ain't gonna look as sleek. So you just really gotta take your time on this hump area. And I like going in with this brush because I can stop it like right here. Like I'll probably just like comb it out right here to make sure that part is smooth. The rest of it pretty like tangly, so we ain't gonna talk about that, but you just need this part at least to be like super smooth. And then I like to go on top of that with some more gel. Look how sleek this is getting as I'm doing this. And then take the clip out and clip the rest and move on. This is just the best way to do it, honestly. It's just the best way to do it, especially when you got like a bunch of hair. Of course, you can use whatever gel you want to use, ma'am. Whatever you feel like holds your hair down the best, that is what you should use. Normally, I wouldn't put gel on the ends, but since I have a bang, I don't think this part of my hair is going to go all the way down anyway. I could just go ahead because, look, that's not going to affect how my poof look. And the main reason I didn't want to comb all the way through because I don't want to just have, like, poof. I want to have some kind of curls and try to leave some kind of curls. So that's why I haven't been, like, combing my hair all the way through, of course, clearly. Just going to wet it. Click that right there. Okay, so now that you have everything done, your foundation done, boom. I like to wet it again. Wet it down. Wet it down, and then go ahead and add more of my buttercream and then more of the gel. So just a little bit, not too much, but I feel like this moisturizing cream just gives me a nice, super nice, smooth look. Then take the gel, warm it up in my hands, just mold that down. Just take your brush and just continue to smooth it all down, making sure you're taking your brush behind that ear area. Don't neglect that part because you really want that to look good. I don't know why I like that part to look good, girl. So I just like to go ahead and mold everything down, and I just like to tie my scrunchie for the time being. So now that I've got my base down, I am going to go ahead and do my edges. And I like to do my edges with my scrunchie on before I put my real hair ties on, just in case you need to just take it off and redo it because your edges ain't really sliding in like they need to. So I'm going to go in with the Style Master Edge Booster Edge Control. I'm just going to add it. Like, legit, I like to add my stuff just like going down. Really work that in like that right there. Yo, I have no idea where it just cut off at, but I am done with this. And so I basically did the whole swoop just like I did the first one. And at the end, after you do this swoop, just take that one out and then just do whatever you want to do. Some people like to leave it straight. Some people like to do little circles and stuff. I don't know what I want to do with that. We're going to leave it straight right now. The other side, I like to go ahead and add my edge booster like I did the other side. And I like to add it just going down. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You just want to basically do the exact same thing. It's going to be a lot harder on this side, though, because you have so much hair. I like to create some. So I take, after you take that first swoop back, like that, go ahead and take this hair out from the bottom. Then I like to do the finger and do it again, like that. You take this hair out. This again. Take this hair out. Use your finger and do it again. And then just clean up what you need to clean up. This is pretty much it. I just wanted to give y'all like extra baby hairs because I know I never really give y'all baby hairs, and I feel like y'all think I don't know what I'm doing. So then on top of that, I like to go back in and use the brush just to make sure it's all like polished. Do not worry about this part right here because what we're finna do, we're gonna take our Got To Be Glued spray and then I'm gonna shake it up. I always have to shake it up first. Y'all, when I tell you this button don't go nowhere, don't go nowhere. And then just make sure you spray it. And then I like to just spray this whole top. Take your scarf and go ahead and lay down my baby hairs. Mind you guys, I have not completed this ponytail yet. And I feel like when you take it behind your ears, it just makes a better lay. Am I the only one that thinks that? Like, I just like to take it behind my ears because if I don't, I feel like it don't lay this little part down like this or this part right here. This is when I redo the ponytail. A lot of people do it different, but this is just how I like to do it because I want to make sure that everything is nice and smooth at the front before I do this. Take off my satin scrunchie, and I'm gonna be using these ponytail holder thingies, and these are like extra large ones, which I love, so they won't like break, and they don't have no silver prongs or nothing like that on them. Go ahead and just put them on. Shoot, you know how to put on a ponytail, girl. You know how to put your hand in a ponytail. Like, look how long that is. Love it. And I just like to tie this as tight as it can get. Now, the better the wash and go, the better the poof gonna look, of course. But, I ain't had time. So, this gonna look very afro-y. Just got afro puff. Afro puff. That's what it is. And after this, you can wrap another scarf around so that you can get all this nice and sleek and set as well, because you did just spray some of the freeze spray on that as well. I ain't finna do all that, but I am gonna let this sit down for a few moments, and then I will be back to show you guys the final look. Sir, I am back. I just let it sit on my hair for like 10 minutes, y'all. Like, when I'm doing my low sleek buns, I don't do too much, because if I'm doing it, it's probably only for one day. So I don't go too goddamn on far now. God dang. Here is the reveal. Ta-da! I do a slick back ponytail. This is what it would look like. I'm just stretching out my ponytail so I can make it bigger. This is pretty much it, you guys. That's all I do. I always do the same exact routine. I use same exact products. I always use the TGIN for moisture and whatever gel I like at the moment. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Mwah.